Building funnels shouldn't require 15 different tools or a massive monthly bill. That's the problem FlexiFunnels is trying to solve. And on AppSumo, it's available as a one-time, lifetime deal. So the big question is simple. Is FlexiFunnels actually good enough to replace ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or Instapage? Let's break it down. FlexiFunnels is an AI-powered website, funnel, and course builder. You type one prompt. It builds pages, copy, layouts, and funnels for you. And unlike most builders, it also includes checkout pages, course hosting analytics, split testing, CDN hosting, AI, copywriting, conversion tools, all inside one dashboard, AI page and funnel builder. This is the main hook. You describe what you want, like create a webinar funnel for a fitness coach. FlexiFunnels instantly generates landing page copy layout, CTA sections. You can then edit with AI or use the drag and drop editor, no coding needed. 700 plus high converting templates. You get templates for sales pages, webinar registrations, checkouts, link in bio pages, thank you pages. You can also import and share templates, which is great for agencies. Built-in checkout and revenue boosters. FlexiFunnels isn't just a page builder. It includes high-converting checkout pages, order bumps, coupons, automated delivery, Facebook conversion API, so you don't need Stripe plugins or third-party checkout tools, course and digital product selling. You can host unlimited courses, tier-based, video lessons, quizzes, certificates, digital downloads, ebooks, templates, files. Everything is managed from the same dashboard. AI marketing agents, higher tiers. On higher tiers, you unlock AI agents that write copy using AIDA and PAS frameworks, generate multiple variations, help with A/B testing. This is useful if you build funnels often or manage client projects. Replace 15 plus tools with one platform, FlexiFunnels bundles, funnel builder analytics, CDN hosting, social proof widgets, pop-ups, automations, forms, LMS conversion tracking. That's where the real cost savings come in. You pay once, no monthly fees. Starting at $49 tier 1, higher tiers, unlock more AI credits, more domains, more visitors, lower transaction fees, course members, sub-users. If you're serious about funnels or clients, Tier 3 or higher makes the most sense. From verified AppSumo buyers, fast setup, many launch in under 24 hours, excellent page speed, big plus for conversions, strong AI output, better than expected, massive template library, outstanding support, live chat, quick fixes, active founders, roadmap, plus webinars, plus replies. Several users upgraded from Tier 1 to Tier 5, which says a lot. No tool is perfect. Here are the common complaints. There is a learning curve. Some users want more advanced funnel templates. Tier 1 is limited, good for testing, not scaling. That said, the team is actively shipping updates and the roadmap is public. FlexiFunnels is ideal if you're a course creator, coach, or consultant, marketer, freelancer, agency owner, AppSumo deal hunter who hates subscriptions. If you want everything in one place, this fits. Lifetime pricing instead of monthly bills. Yes, especially on AppSumo. It's rare to see strong AI funnels plus courses built-in checkout, active founders, solid support, lifetime access, all in one tool. If you're building funnels now or plan to, this is one of the stronger AppSumo deals available in 2026. And with a 60-day refund policy, the risk is low. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.